City travel, scenic sightseeing, short-distance passenger transport. One tuk-tuk does it all. Flexible, economical, and reliable, it's the most popular multi-purpose vehicle worldwide. Compact body, flexible turning, easy to drive in alleys, markets, scenic spots, and urban roads. No traffic jams, easy to park, perfect for daily passenger business. Smooth start, comfortable ride, easy for elders and children to get on and off. Stable power, low fuel or power consumption, extremely low operating cost, faster return on investment, spacious space for 6-9 passengers, strong load capacity, ideal for daily use, sturdy body, stable chassis, high safety, built for long-term operation. Simple operation, easy to learn, no complicated license required, reliable structure, universal parts, easy and low-cost maintenance, fashionable appearance, suitable for cities, scenic spots, and villages, attracts more customers. Choose our tuk-tuk, choose steady income and safe travel. We welcome global partners. Let's build a better future together.